everyone, welcome to Propel Guru's YouTube channel. Today, we have a piece of exciting news to share with you all. Over the past few months, Musk repeatedly criticized OpenAI for implementing safeguards that prevent ChatGPT from generating offensive texts for its users. As per the source, recently, Elon Musk approached artificial intelligence researchers about setting up a new research lab to develop an alternative to ChatGPT, the high-profile chatbot built by OpenAI. Well, to increase your knowledge a bit more, we would like to tell you that Elon Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015 and then cut ties with it in 2018. He stated the reason that there might be a conflict of interest when he builds AI tech for Tesla in the future. In one of his tweets last year, Musk suggested that OpenAI technology exemplifies the danger of training AI to be woke. He further stated, in other words, lie is deadly. According to his comments, in contrast to ChatGPT and other similar chatbot that Microsoft recently launched, a rival chatbot would have fewer restrictions on divisive topics. Musk recruited Igor Babushkin, a machine learning expert who recently left Alphabet's DeepMind AI unit, to lead the project. Babushkin has worked on projects like ChatGPT, which uses machine learning models to drive chatbots. Igor Babushkin, in an interview, said Musk is not interested in building a chatbot with fewer content safeguards. It's hard to acknowledge what's in Musk's mind, as he always comes up with something new. Let's see what the future of AI conversational chatbots holds for us. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Well, that's we all have for today. We hope we have added some value to your feed. If yes, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any updates from our end. Thank you.